Remember, Obibi Akwaba ever GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. The president, Nana Akufo-Addo, the Convoy, Ekunya, Akwishia, a man, the Pabaku, a Famu, acciden. Now, Sansa will see an Kwame Sefa also reacted of a Sansa William Mauli and Samatuja. Now, some other call and 7 million messages, so we are subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Over subscribe. We are say over click the subscribe button. Now, I barely notification. We have a video for be uploaded. Also, once I can be. I feel we are now like video. My thumbs up, now feel wash share my awful for so now when you be now wash it. I feel young call and singing. The president another Akufo-Addo in the convoy. Ekunya Akwishia wa Bonsu East region Bonsu Junction Hall and the convoy no Ekunya Akwishia no and the move back the Babako of the acciden. Now yen share a story ever to the FIA Sansema isi and yen share a story no or say Gory scenes as vehicle in President Akufo-Addo's convoy reportedly crashes. Or say, one of the vehicles in the convoy of Ghana's President Akufo-Addo has reportedly crashed. According to a report by Accra-based UTV, the vehicle collided with a Kia Rhino truck at Bonsu Junction in the Eastern region. Let's say, Kia truck and then anyone could boom punipu kushia and masa at Shia. Or say, according to report, the convoy was crossed by a Kia Rhino truck, resulting in a collision that claimed the life of one individual and left others seriously injured. Let's say, Kia truck ni convoy ne could be punipu ni pabako afemu acciden kama. When a Kayi notice when they prepare. Or say, even though no indication was given as to whether the person who died or those who were seriously injured were the occupants of the vehicle from the president convoy. A video from the scene of the accident showed it completely damaged. Let us say a video of two girls who said, President convoy car by a coach who said, I said, I'm one is at I said. Now, what was story and so say? Oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say. Jesus Christ, one man could be heard saying, let us say, and the cast has 7 on, which is a someone can or team with Jesus Christ. Now, you share as we see, a year president, a year one release, a year one of the crata, a year communication directorate of the president, Jubilee House, one issue communicate, one day, but 12 a year, I could share, see, or say for immediate release, 19th May 2024, President Akufo-Addo's convoy involved in fatal accident on Accra-Kumasi Highway. Or say on Sunday, 19th May 2024, several vehicles belonging to the president convoy were involved in a fatal accident along the Bonsu-Achin-Osafo stretch of the Accra-Kumasi Highway. The unfortunate incident occurred while the convoy was on its way back from Kumasi after accompanying the president to Kumasi for a series of events this weekend. Let's say a convoy no connect said the president and another Akufo-Addo no can let say convoy almost some much about a sunset president could do die bebre ewu Kumasi na no na omoba sa akwishia no ekusi or say tragically one of the drivers, Mr. Kwabena Atta, has lost his life. He is a driver ni bako afemu ahre ne kwa. Additionally, several close protection and police officers from the president security details have sustained varying degrees of injuries and receiving initial treatment at Suhun Government Hospital. The injured persons are currently being evacuated to the University of Ghana Medical Center for further treatment and observation. As I say, I want to prepare no Suhun Government Hospital, and I want to do so about University of Ghana on the Medical Center. Hold say one of the or say several vehicles in the convoy has also been completely wrecked as a result of the accident. This is a car say. Fortunately, the president is safe and unharmed as he traveled to Accra via military aircraft. As I said, President did know who anchor is answer or no dear or the military for no aircraft and let at the bar a year and crime. Now, in some way, see you know, comes if I can show a reactor or day and someone to their for a year. Akwishia isi ya no yeti aye sefa ono so nsema wode tuga afaye akwishia isi yeti ensema wo kafa yeti nsema
Prof ote ka akwishia ho asem
Kwame mate
na President Akufo-Addo's convoy involved in fatal accident. Unfortunately, Kwesi Atta Our drivers in the back are training.
Oh,
yes, a bamboo phone, a B, a Democrat Sum Government Hospital, Sandy, B. Besinko, University of Ghana Medical Center. Apomodin some ayamom. Na, Yadi and Nia John Kuma Kwashe form. Na, Riasina and Casanon.
And it's I'm call over the weekend.
I can't. Some no the president to call. Ain't you president the Remission by? Nipa Bibria complaining say presidential convoy. A dispute to do.
Kwame.
A biomonim security and intelligence superculture say we are here for na presidential convoy a dimbrika nenam. Na we no nya obi kan say na president intim ntimo pentama kwen. Say be a president kan ho na mudi mrika.
Na
entiasio
mo pesa mo meet we.
But on count.
I'm saying Kwame so here offer hotel Jubilee Junction hotel here or they call Gyamfi. Fiesta. Maba problem hana meko. Na se nipa me say police new. So or in quote an important personality bio.
Pen.
Kwame ekade.
Could you do?
And I mean just say me or the baby me say what? Then now open. And he now walk. Obiantim. Where are you missing? Look, you were endangering yourself and us. Just say ordinary car baby bomb come pam. Say suban here you boom. Now say yeah so what you say yeah they train by no. Young
yeah, legends.
Listen, legends make train na ba. First mpaka dan. We route. Obi a me krom kwanso. Obi a pese ade. No yon kwa ko park the car.
Kia truck. Now him say presidential convoy na ifikuma se ba no say Kia truck na crossing.
Na me ba Kwame ya na ode bi a me no kon say probably adwene ye no.
Many a bema penny bio. Eben say before Yankupon a boy.
Oh, Yamina boy.
Because Eben say adrenaline doc or say adrenaline
Namo Subai.
Sir, respect for sirens. Who say a be abuse siren, prof.
Very much.
But Enra Metia Semna me say I'm say the year 2000. Ebi says here.
Yeah.
Then President Rawlings.
That's right.
We free Sugakope ba obi cross the motorway. President Akufo-Addo opay bia junctions and so BC. President Mahama Breso, unfortunately I'm say journalists be who.
That's right.
And also sa very convoy bi. And President Akufo-Addo dey so. And we say be abuse siren. Inti ade na obeka say hydra headed. Be abuse siren and no correct. President ni car no inti na mu de ka ekwa hin. But what is a siren so bad? I don't know what to expect.
Show. The day kind of say over the period. Last time I say
Obi Papa na ewu no.
Yes. Last time I can be Mr. Kwame, a transition be uncle Sui in Ghana. One guy uses siren. No. Almost using in such a way say they feel they have certain advantage beer. Won't be to me a take at the expense of others' convenience. And the ocean traffic will be a mere adinilemo. Now, or yon con aso has a so or say a security way. If you the most of the time, no come in and you may be an uncle. They simply don't want to be in the traffic.
Yeah.
Traffic jam on best of a ship. And the people say in some of the lanes you can't even move your vehicle now many space. Say baby to say Dr. Owe the big man say emergency idea ambulance. It makes a lot of sense because Kwame obi ambulance no more nenkwa is at stake. And as I was say Bibi or baby into Yasuma ambulance on Jimbara. It makes a lot of sense. And then you open your space be Mamodi and Namaquine. Now it could be you next time. I also say people will make way for you. But when you could we not or some broadcast no. And he now open to Mako. And number one, Mr. Kwame, sir, I junior or people say exploit the advantage be. Now for the convenience at the expense of others, no, I come home.
Comes back to my question. What kind of people are we?
It's Kwame. We no Subai. Subai no ye attitudes. So the bia come ye kano. Ye here adwin sakra. Ewo ekwan ye faso adwene. Na Kwame ha no na ya meka chi obi say e ya nsafo nkwa na e preach adwin sakra a ediko enkwagye mu. Ye nso ye hia adwin sakra edema oman ekoyi. Sa adwin sakra no ema oman ekoyi. Ema wo kwan so eda ho. Ema wona wo yonko ntam ekoyi. So what's na Europe? Na wona before religion. Obehunu say yes say since prempering they are not as religious as they used to be. Kwame Eza. But ebane attitude ema oman koyi na ema nipasu ne abrabo koyi. Kwame, there are 1,000 miles or more than that ahead of us. Say when you say driving, I mean driving. Say me who you say we every Sabri let me a prayer. And to winter eba obi abe sunny winter ties. What in winter? In winter maraha.
Now say the winter ties bagana.
Oh, ye. One can see you, but Mate say
dangerous to be a
heat number one.
Ebe pie.
And so a bit talks hakas now. Winter ties grass also a number by namas on the Musa and I be a front time. Boom! A bass and swap, not just a wako ubilemu. You are jeopardizing your life and others. And the can attitude now change. And the Kwame, I don't know, none of me say, what kind of Hana may say, Kwame, say, and some mammy day beer, I don't know, a non quite was in the account. Ye have been map processes a quiet first one, yes, it's attitudes. As I say, in your brain, it is uncommon. Send ye, yes, it's Ajanipa, and say only in Ajanipa. Mema amiko tisbi na opase adwene pa behwe oso na ntiase abo ho ban enti adwene pa ehwe enso ebo ye ho ban enti mirika ya ni etui a yakwa yi ayeba ni edi mirika na nipa no so a okro so no enti wante se sare biba Kwame ebi anote ebi ote so why me ho se mama de bia moye.
Apart from that, Prof, only say Kwan should be siren. What is siren? But Kwan is designed that all parkway.
When you may be a paper,
only a baby and parking.
The engineering flaws. Okay, Adenta Casey. And if I 193 or so, and a Geomonkwa. Meanwhile, I food bridges are a sese and Ipafaho.
Yeah, bridges is independent for bridges.
But Kwame, there are social psychological issues there. So almost Professor Sana in sociology, Ekasembi. Or say, engineering designs or Ghana. We ignore the track of people. Shebebi and Nipafano. Almost at Sebia, if I say the bridge too many manner. You don't just get up and construct the bridge. There are human aspects to the engineering. As I said, we study who say, in any patafa. Now, Sebebia, my person, how can I sway them? Say, am on fire. You don't just get up and say, massive bridge.
Bro, catch your Professor Senna Sem in the dream, but yeah, legends. Only Madina Zungo Junction. Once a footbridge or her. It's still in the Palinam form. But the question is, I'm on bridge in Asia. And here, what they ask, what do also look at Ufri Zongo Junction. What try a Kwana call Madina inside? No, Oku and Nima, she may be a Dijano. You see, these are the things. Baby, I'm Omudi Adriane Bano. Omudi Joe Kwan. Obi Okoto and the Abia is looking for convenience. And here, one. Number two is looking for cost. Baby, Obenya any cheaper. And one. Cars number be in Yemenigo. And to me go or say on Nanti everywhere Abba for bridge tin
ya asi no anante akwa ya
Bani said the Mabo Bempe Obefro.
A man in a bomb.
Not just a drilling and your prof, because you are with Jimmy.
Attitude Kakra.
I drilling yet.
Men say, Omo barricade, can I say, crossing from this side to the other, some way, road no intermon.
And if you
say, a Boakye Annan say, found, oh, how much you to
Prof, Mark with your doc, member Samba. I didn't yet.
And to come in, you know, so in the engineering designs and so on, and also
Kwame, sometimes I wonder these Kia tracks why Zakaria in Boakye and then politics and weak leadership are one of the major causes of accidents in Ghana. If leadership is bold enough to implement policies, many of these are avoidable. The government started a towing policy on our roads, but after a few hue and cry, it was abandoned. Gastiman in Brekum. Sa towing yam beka wa semi bien. Eja mejibi. Because I'm supporting sa towing ne pa. Yeah, we're fine.
You waiting for Winnie and some of your Kwame Sefa morning show host Sefa Kokoko. In some of the two guys, FI the president, and I don't know Kwaku the Convoy at Kunya Kunshia, and the Korean Assembly breed, because this is so and our hello. So we don't subscribe, yeah, Mr. Say, over subscribe, more like it now, watching video. Also, bet me actually working after a year and some way, you know, I will comment box me. Mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.